Hey guys, Alex here. Here is kind of unboxing and maybe assembly of this kit here. It's called the NTS digital kit. It's basically do-it-yourself synthesizer and effects processor by Korg. I've kind of opened it to see, just to take a peek in it. There wasn't anything I could break, a seal or something like that. But yeah, it's in a nice container. I haven't pulled it out, I just looked at the parts, so it's kind of still unboxing, or at least assembly, so we'll see. Let's dig into it. I can't wait to assemble it. Also, we have like an audio speaker, Bluetooth audio thingy that we can test the sound. And let's see what we can do here about this thing. So, open it. We have a nice paper things. You have a USB cable strung. This is one of the. This is like the one of the boards. Or this is the board actually, and this I think. No, these are the other board parts of it. I guess yeah, this is one of the things. And here are some things as well. So they were kind of put well together. Oh. I guess you should have seen it. They were inside of this. And we have some things here for assembly. We also have a nice screwdriver. Marvelous. And this is the back, and the back is gone. So, do you see this yeah, software bundle? I will use this code before uploading the video. Okay, that's something nice. Okay, this is a manual. Huh? Who needs a manual? Like we are pros. Probably I'll check it out later. So let's see. This seems to be the body of it, and then everything seems to be mounted already. So it's kind of do-it-yourself, but kind of a little bit for dummies, which is fine. Yeah. It's a step in the right direction, let's say. So let's see this. Do I just do this? Bonk. Oh, how is? Bonk. No. Okay, maybe I do this. Huh? Yep. This is how you do it. This is how you break your shit. Yeah, you apply it a little bit, so it's blonk. Stuck. Now this also here. This can be a little bit not that easy. Oop. Let's see. If I use this. Yep. Alright. So far so good. Okay, everything is in different parts. So what are these things? So this kind of lines with here, right? Right. Let's see if this guy here has some could give us some clues on how to assemble it. Plop, 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 plop. Okay. So I think this stuff, from what I remember, should be something like here. Yeah? Like, yep, sorry. Boom. And this kind of fits, and this should be on top of that somehow. Yep. Yep. Somehow, some way. And yep. Doesn't seem too perfect. Doesn't seem too perfect, but okay. All right. Let's see the back part. So here's the jack. So it should be something like this. Yep. Okay. Oh. And this should be here, yeah. Plunk, right? More or less. Okay, I'll check that out. And these guys are mounted how? Alright, so I kinda got some of it. Boom. Maybe it's not going to be that easy to mount, but let's see. So we have some angle thingies here. We have 4 of them. Okay, makes a little bit more sense. It's always nicer to figure shit for yourself. So these probably are put here, right? So we'll do something like this. Yeah, and these guys look totally the same to me. Famous last words. Okay. Let's use this to open this. Yep. I'm just going to use the tools that I have here in this kit. And because I'm very smart, very smart, very smart, I'm gonna put all these knobs, bolts in the cap of the camera. So think this guy is kinda here. No? Or yes? I don't know. Maybe it's one of these people. Yeah, it is. Right, so just add these things to the bottom. Hop. Yep. Because why not? Plunk. Maybe that's not the best way to do it. But I think it's the laziest. While I'm here, I think the soundtrack of this should be like a synth pop or lo-fi thingy. Synthwave, I wanted to say. Okay. This is actually on top, but because the camera is so... I have to do this. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I think this could expedite the thing a little bit. Stay with me, my friend, stay with me. Stand. I know YouTube likes 6-minute videos. This is going to be maybe 15 minutes videos. Or more. I don't know how much time I've recorded so far. Oh, it's 12 minutes. Yeah. The algorithm and me are not friends. The YouTube algorithm. Wir sind nicht Freunde. If you speak German, you would understand that I just said the same stuff. In German, Deutsch. And you guys probably don't see what I do, because I just want to do it and not show it how I do it. Show it. It's very small. Oh. Let's see if I can refocus this to see it, because this camera doesn't have autofocus. Whoa. Maybe, yeah, here you go. Now let's refocus to the things. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, here it is. With this rate, maybe an hour. Will I be able to produce a video with this footage? I have no idea. But I make it in any case. And I'm also crossing my fingers that the camera doesn't stop shooting. Schlunk. Yeah, so we have the base of that, ace of base, the base of that. Okay, so this should sit somehow inside of this. So it's very, but okay. Ace of base. Or does it sit on top of it? That's the question. It's not really that well aligned, is it? Let's see. Okay. So this is kind of on top, kind of fits, more or less. So, oh yeah, sorry, this kind of fits on top. I am now the autofocus, and it looks like this. Yeah, Canon hired me to be the autofocus for this camera. Alright, so I think I can probably put this here. So these things stay intact. It's pretty safe for me to do this. Whoa. Yes, almost there. Yeah. So these are kind of, yeah. I mean, there's no point for me to not actually just do that. Just do that again, like connect the two, because it obviously doesn't sit on anything. But first, I think I might have to connect the keyboard. So it's I spy with my little I don't know where the keyboard is. So weird, but maybe it's underneath this. So this looks nice. So if you see here, oh, of course you can see. I forgot the time the autofocuser. Yeah, if you see here, this goes through here and connects here, the ribbon cable. Whoop, let's get back to it. Yeah. Let's do that. So there should be something. This should go someplace like this. And maybe I could. Yeah, there is this tape. So I do something like this. Yeah, fits. I just apply this here. I do it up. I do it here. Yeah, good enough. And maybe I just do this here. I just do this. Oh. You have to basically. Where is that? Maybe I need to open something. Not sure. Will he break it? This is something that you need to modify or trigger, or I don't know. No, you need to put it inside. Basically. Up. Do it. Come on. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah. Can I open it with this one? No? No? Oh, okay. It's kind of moved. So, so hey, this guy here. Oh, this thing moves on the front, so you need to get it out. Oh, huh? Get it out. Yeah. And now it should fit snug in nicely, I think. All right. Let me just see what I'm doing. Sorry, I guess. Oh, it doesn't. No. Okay. Oh, okay. It went in, and it's there. Cool. Coolio. It's perfect. Now, let's connect the two. Connect 4. Okay, one side is not great, the other side is alright. It's basically Lego at this point. It's not that much do-it-yourself shenanigans. So I think I can just do something like this. Well, plunk, plunk. Go in. No. No. One side is... alright, alright then. Okay, just a little bit. Oop. Yeah. And I think... okay. There's something like this. Oops, no, the other way around. Need to be inside. So it's kind of here, but I think just something. All right. Let's see. Is there? Okay. Just put this like this. It doesn't go all the way, so meh. So this should have probably been okay, right? Yeah, let's go and see. Oh, this is fine. And I think if I also connect this to this, should also be fine. Just like that. And try to connect everything at the same time. Famous last thoughts. But well, let's see. And this pans out somehow, some way. Okay. I'm telling you guys, it's Lego. It's just Lego. Oop. Okay. It's getting there. It's getting there. I think this needs to be put first. That's what my thought process is. Oop. Okay. And this needs to be put in front. Oh, can I do something like this? Let's zoom in even more. Whoop. Yeah. So I'm connecting this part here. Oh, of course. And I think this is good enough to some extent. It won't be totally fit, but so I think we might have maybe too much stuff. Well, let's connect these two. I think maybe just enough. Maybe just enough. Maybe yeah. Just baby, yeah. Maybe yesterday was far away. Listen to the tenor say, Scooby-Dooby-Dooby on his way. Listen to the sound of yesterday was far away. I think it should be is good enough. Yesterday, do. This video is definitely going to be demonetized. Do or dropped out. Who am I kidding? Nobody watches my videos. This is like play pretend that I'm a freaking famous YouTuber that everybody watches their videos and hey guys, Alex here, blah 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 bullshit. But you can't take away the dream. Dream. Green grass of home. I mean, I could possibly have a ton of copyright infringements by singing these songs. Because basically I'm not making any money with the songs, but yeah, copyright law is bullshit, I think. It's my humble opinion. I'm very opinionated. Oh, no, I'm not that opinionated actually, but yeah. Just expressed somewhat of an opinion. Summer days, we are far away, the summer days. Now it's winter is coming here, and you know how this story ends. Yeah, very disappointing way. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. I asked her many times, but she didn't say it to me. Come on, think. What is this? Ah, okay. It's not perfect fit, huh? Even though it is made in Japan, not perfect, eh? Okay, I guess it's good enough. Yesterday, I think we have several several spare parts. Let's can remove this from the view as well. Let's add this also here. I believe in yesterday. Since you've been gone, I think these guys are just on the bottom, I think. Maybe, yeah, bonk, just here, dunk, just bump, on the bottom. So, I'm almost there. How much time is this? Oh, half an hour, perfectly. Perfect. Yeah, doesn't seem weird at all. Oop. Huepa, 1, 2, 3. Un pasito para adelante, María. 1, 2, 3. María, María. Come on. You can do this now. It's a pretty nice small screwdriver. Bolt. It's actually bolt driver at this point, because these are no screws, just bolts. Usain bolts. Am I racist for naming an African runner by name? Or am I an ally because I remember his name? And I practically don't remember anything out of these Olympics, because I probably remember the thing because it was there were memes. Fastest is this guy, fastest Usain Bolt. Yeah. This what it is. This what it is. This. Up. Stay with me, my friend. Stay until the end. It's a very sensitive microphone, I have to say. Maybe too sensitive. At least I think there is some volume. The problem with this thing is I cannot make the unboxing again and then the assembly, as I already almost did the assembly. So I have to, it has to work as it is. Yeah. And you watch these YouTube videos and you think, oh, these guys do this so effortlessly. And now I'm not struggling. I think it's just a menu. What does menu actually mean? It's not manual. It's work that you don't want to do. But it's good. It's therapeutic. I'm screwing bolts. Yes. And I'm fucking up from time to time, so I have to do it again. A little bit more careful. And step by step, bolt by bolt. Okay, I like the angle of this guy. But should let me correct it a little bit. Try to correct it. It's going. Yep. It's almost there. And I have, I think, 2 more screws to screw. 2 more bolts to screw. Yeah. No, it's actually 6, which is fine. I guess I still have some spares. Maybe it's better, because if I had to solder the things, it would have taken a couple of hours. No, just boom. Yeah, who needs the manual? So, fun fact: this thing, you should be able to. With this thing, you should be able to put your own oscillator, or get some oscillators from the internet and different effects. You'll be able to put different sounds through it, like a proper event processor. So these are some of the interesting things. It has MIDI. I think we might be able to test the MIDI also today, because I have this type of things from Korg, the MIDI to 3.5-inch stereo jack. Yeah, I think I remembered correctly the name. TRS? No? Was it? Yeah, I think it was TRS. I should put more effort into remembering things, but I'm quite lazy. I mean, I'm not that lazy, but I'm lazy with some certain things, let's say. And I don't care to go into details sometimes for things that might be obvious. Oh, I almost lost one. So, let's see. Pew, 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 pew. There. A coworker of mine has this alarm for the for his telephone. Not alarm, but ringtone. Can I put this here? Oh. Yeah, I guess it's not perfect, but it should work. If I had to 3D print the thing, it would have come out better than this. So, in a sense, it's okay. Let's see if I can get the. Oop. Yeah, I'm trying to remove the peel off the thing that is glued in. Maybe this is the glue. Oh, this is the glue. Ah, yeah. So I'm stupid. So it peeled off properly because it's made for dummies like me, and I just have to put it on. Yeah, all this double entendres today. I'm in my I forgot the terminology. I'm old and I don't care too much. I'm in my not season in my not storm in my damn. It's not in my prime or things like that. In my element. Woo! Something like that. And this should fit nicely, like this. Okay, it doesn't have a battery, right? Did I forget any screws? Oh, I forgot one screw. Yes, I'm screwed! Or it's a bolt, yes. My hope for this is I'll explore things in two directions. I want to see if I can use the synth engine for it properly. And I'll also use it as effect processor. I'm currently trying to connect it to where the camera is connected, and I'm running the risk of never mind. So this is okay. Okay, this is soul tooth, right? And I think this is the output here, or this output, MIDI out, sync, MIDI in. So it's sawtooth. Let's add this here. And we have some spares. Right? So let's do this. Oh, nice! It rings. This is very shitty. Can I use this to play it? Oh yeah. Yeah, not the best. Let's see if I have something else. Wow, this is nice sounds. Yeah. Let's put this so you guys can hear it even better. Yay! Reverb. Let's add the reverb. it's a mono synth. Yeah, I forgot. I'll connect the keyboard now. Just a second. I'll be right back to black. I was saying. So this is it. Oh, you don't see it. Yep, here it is. And here are the things I'm going to connect. I also need a MIDI cable, MIDI M to the I to the D to the I cable. Which I have also here. Just a second. Look. And yeah. Always with these things, I think you need patience. I mean, of the production of the videos, which I don't have that much. I want to just touch it a little bit, maybe fix the volumes, maybe add some stupid effects. And that's it. I'm very lazy about this stuff. It's maybe because I don't have enough time to fool around and go into details, but I hope that's the logic outsync MIDI in. All right. I'll put MIDI in, shut, and I'll turn this thing on. Yep. I even put the don't you want me? Leave me don't you want me? You would be the special night in my mind. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh. Let's see if I can play something. See if I can add this here. Let's move these things a little bit away.